Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing into my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to be doing a Super Side Saturday collaboration with Vickie's Country Home. So, let's go ahead and swing out of my kitchen and let's see how I make this tangy carrot slaw. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen, and we're going to be getting into making that tangy carrot slaw salad of ours. So let's go ahead and let's get started. You're going to be needing 1/4 cup of honey Dijon mustard. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab one of my big old canning jars. Let's take the lid off. And let's go ahead and put our mustard right on in to the canning jar. And there we go. And now let's go ahead and grab 1/4 cup of our olive oil and add that as well. Now, we're going to be wanting to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, or go ahead and add lemon juice. You decide which way you're going to go. I'm going to remove the cap so I can pour this in. Let's add some pepper. And we're going to want to add some kosher salt. Or not kosher. I'm adding Himalayan pink salt. And now we're going to sit there, put the cover back on, and we're going to give this all a few good shakes to mix everything up very well. Let's go ahead and remove the cover, and now go ahead, take a spoon and just dip in there, and you're gonna want to sit there and just give this a little taste test. Spot on. Now what you're gonna want to do, you're gonna want to sit there and julienne some carrots up as I have here. And now we're gonna go ahead and add all them carrots inside of this mixture in our canning jar. I'll see you when I'm all done adding our carrots. Okay, I have all our carrots added in, as you see. Now, I'm going to put the cover on, and we're just going to give this jar, and we're going to shake it vigorously so we coat every one of them luscious carrot strands all up in that luscious salad dressing. Now, go put this in your refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but if you really want it to be exceptionally tasty, let it sit overnight and serve it the next day. Let them flavors all inside this jar meld together. So, I'm going to put this bad boy in my refrigerator. We'll see you tomorrow with the taste test. Okay, I put our tangy carrot slaw salad all into a nice little serving dish, And all that's left for us to do is to sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top. It's just to make it look pretty and such. So I'm gonna put some of them over. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make the tangy carrot slaw. So now if you liked what you saw here today, please be sure to go down below, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go up and subscribe today, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watching my video here, and y'all come back now, you hear me?